Alright, it's time for another unboxing. This time it is the Great Plains PT-40 and it is the Mark II kit, which means this one came out as version 2, PT-40 Mark II. And the original is, well, you can put any monocode on there covering, but the original box cover is got a red and white plane. This is essentially the same plane, but they, I guess, upgraded some of the parts. It says feature wood parts that are precisely die cut. Well, that was the same with the other one, but there were some differences. Oh, the wings unique interlocking I-beam construction adds incredible strength. Don't know if that was still an issue or a thing with the original, but this one apparently was kind of just revised very slightly, made better apparently, but it's a good starter plane. And the reason I wanted to get this is because this was the plane I should have gotten or was going to get when I was just getting started in RC. Well, in fact, my very first plane was a Cox EZB, and that didn't turn out so well. Had issues and ended up returning it. So I got some videos, and one of them was how to build an RC airplane and fly it, and then another one was called Basic Flight. And I recently got those videos. I found them online and purchased them again, the VHS videos. And in those videos they feature the PT-40. So I was intending to get this, but at that time I was a kid, maybe 11, 12 years old. And somewhere around that age, I just felt I probably didn't really want to take all that time. Didn't have really the skill to build this whole thing and cover it, and all the tools that it would require to do all that. So ARFs were popular, and I ended up going a different route and getting the Royal Air 20T, which is the plane I did learn to fly on right there. So I wanted to get this plane though, looking back and thinking how, good of a plane it is. I've heard nothing but great reviews and stuff. And I know how to fly, but just for nostalgic reasons, I always wanted to have this plane. So I got it. It's brand spanking new from the hobby shop here, which is the, cover up my address info, RC Hobby Shop, Samson, RC hobbyshop.com. And took a long time to get here, but the guy was really nice about getting back to me, and USPS. Wow, this thing took over 2.5 weeks, by the way. It was supposed to come last Saturday. So it looks like I can probably just take off this top here. Slide it out. Alright. Interesting. Hey, I tell you what though, he boxed it. Looks like it was boxed really good. So I am going to keep this. But for the unboxing video purposes, let's put this over here. Get this out. Alright. Brand spanking new. Now today I am bidding on a brand new, so let's see if I can get this, OS Max 40 size engine, FP, which is the original. And some guys have said that a .46 size engine runs this thing even better. It's more powerful. You can always throttle back. So we'll see, but here's the requirements. 2-stroke, 0.15 to 0.25, which was very, oh wait, that's the PT-20. Notice the PT-40 though. Oh, the 2-stroke now is 0.35. The original, I think, said 0.25. So the range is 0.35 to 0.46 for a 2-stroke. 4-stroke would be a 0.4 to 0.52 engine. And I am going to do the, wow, that is all nice bubble wrapped and everything. I'm not going, I think this thing is sealed inside. I'll take the bubble wrap off. So this is going to be kind of a shorter unboxing video, because if it's sealed, I don't want to break the seal and open it up. I'm going to keep it sealed. We'll just look at the box art, and especially if it's sealed, just assume everything is there. I'm not going to worry about it. Because yeah, until I get around to building it and get some time to do that, I want to just keep it mint. Oh yeah, see, it is sealed, so I'm not going to take it out. But we will look at this without the bubble wrap, and we'll put it back in later. Alright, brand spanking new. Some guy on RC Groups was trying to sell this thing for more money than the brand new one, even after paying tax. And the shipping was free. This was cheaper than some other guy, and his wasn't sealed. He said it was new in the box, but then you just got to take the risk of, you know, that everything, all the parts are there, which I don't want to go through all of these, you know, wood pieces, figure it out, or find out after you start building it and it's not all there. But this is from a hobby shop, and it was cheaper, for crying out loud. So I'm going to take some pictures here. Oh, you know what? I have a picture. All right. Yeah, there we go. Cool. See if there's any more box art I saw on the other side. Cool. So I'll see if I win that engine, but it started off at 70 bucks. It's Memorial Day weekend. I'm kind of there. So I do hope that I get that engine, because it is Memorial Day weekend, so I'm hoping that there are going to be less people, you know, at home bidding, and it ends tomorrow, and I'm the only bidder so far. But it's the 0.4 OS Max FP engine, which is brand new in the box with everything, paperwork and all that. So that would be neat to just add to this, which this is what it recommends. And that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I know normally I'd open it up, but it's sealed and I don't want to do that. So hopefully you still enjoyed this unboxing of the Mark II. This isn't the original, this is version 2 of the PT-40, which is new and improved. Alright, star wide shot, and we are out.